Alrighty guys, it is time for our degenerate video of the week. We do these sometimes to have some fun because the markets don't always have to be serious. Index funds, blue chip stocks, all that serious stuff. We could have some fun as well. We can speculate, we can gamble in the stock market as well, and that is what these stocks are. Pure gambles. You can lose all your money. Keep that in mind. I always like saying that in the beginning of these videos, just as a disclaimer. And by the way, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not telling you guys what to do. Keep that in mind as well. So let's go over 5 stocks that could be squeezing here at some point. They have very high short interest, so you guys know the deal. You guys know what we're going to do. Sit back, relax, and let's dive into the video. So the first one here is actually one that I called out in my last video, and it played out very well. If you guys remember my last squeeze video, I called this out. It's Revlon, ticker symbol REV, when it was at, I think, $3 a share, $3.50, $3.75, something like that. I forget exactly where it was. Go find that previous video. You'll see I called it out. It's the 5 stocks to squeeze, or the previous one I made. Go watch it. We called it out, and it went ballistic literally the day after we called it out. Not that I pumped the stock or anything like that. I mean, first of all, that is not why I make these videos at all. I'm not trying to pump stocks. You guys know that. We're just having fun in this video. And plus, my YouTube audience is not even that big to even influence something like that. We're just here having fun, guys. And yes, there are some dirtbag YouTubers out there that do pump stocks, but we're not going to get into that in this video. So we call this out, $3, whatever it was, and it ran all the way to $10 freaking dollars, guys. This thing went crazy. It had a 40+% short interest at that point, and I'm calling it out again in this video, not because I think we're just going to end up ripping up again tomorrow or anything like that, but it's come down a good chunk. We got a lot of profit taken. We're shaking out the weak hands, and the short interest is still very high. It's currently sitting at 38.5% short interest. So let's see what happens right around these moving averages on the 4-hour chart here, being around $4.80, $5, $5.50, $6. Are we going to get buyers in the 5s to 6s, or are we going to crash through the floor again and become a penny stock, which could happen? A lot of these stocks, guys, that have these extraordinary rallies, they end up crashing and reverting back to the mean, going back to where they were. And in this case, this stock was $1 just 2 weeks ago. It ran up to 10. It's at 5 now. Will it go for around 2? Maybe. Or could it go down, could it go down to $1, $2 again? That's possible. Which way are we going to go? We have to see what happens at these moving averages, guys. Another one here that I'm looking at, which has disgustingly high short interest, it is ticker symbol APPH, Alpha Harvest Inc., which is currently up 3.5% when I'm filming this video, and the stock is under $4 a share. You guys can see it's been reversing as of late. We're above the moving averages. We have a golden cross, and with today's move currently up 3.5%, almost to $4 a share. And if we take out 420 in the coming days, this could be one that completely starts breaking out even further. Look at that. We have an ascending triangle forming. If you guys take a look here, and if we crack above 420, there could be a move towards $5, $5.50, $6, in my opinion. So I'm going to set my alert at $4.20, and I can't say it enough, guys. These are very, very risky. So please trade at your own risk. I would only buy these stocks with not even 1% of my portfolio, less than that. 0.1% of my portfolio. Very speculative bets here to try and make some money and have some fun to kind of spice things up, right? And this stock short interest is 27% right now, and it could get worse. It could get worse, and again, it's reversing, ascending triangle. Let's see if that plays out. The next one is CLVS, which is Clovis Oncology. This one's 28% short interest. Currently, it's reversing as well. Like the previous one, we have a golden cross above the moving averages. Look at that. That's pretty good. But let me show you this. In the past couple of days, we have sold off a bit after we squeezed a couple of times earlier in this month of June. It was in the middle of June. You guys can see this went from 58 cents to about $1.20. It cooled off a little bit, went to 90, and then it went to $2.40. Now it's cooling off again. So let's see if this is a cool off before another launch, breakout, or if it's a cool off, and then it's just going to revert back to the mean, go back to 58 cents, 60 cents, a dollar or whatever. So it looks pretty good in my opinion. We're holding higher lows. You guys see that, but we're also making, lower highs at the same time. So we're in a wedge. Let's see if we can break out of, let's say, $1.85, $1.90. If bulls get out of there, let's put it at $1.90. There could be a full-on breakout from that point. And again, very high short interest, 28, 30% right now. That squeeze could be pretty gnarly, guys. So what do you think? Let me know in the comments. And if you are finding value in this video, make sure to smash that like button and make sure to subscribe if you want to see more content about the stock market. We don't only talk about, stocks about the squeeze. In fact, that's a topic we don't talk much about. I mean, we talk a lot about other stocks as well, the markets, news, the economy. So if you like that kind of content, make sure to subscribe, and let's go over the next one here, which is Voozi. This one was $16 months and months ago. Now it's a $6.80 stock. It's up 1.3% when I'm filming this video, and this one's trying to reverse as well. Notice a lot of these stocks we're covering today, they've been beaten down, but they're reversing with high short interest. It's an interesting combination there, guys. So Voozi is above the moving averages, golden cross, all that good stuff, but it is now facing its multi-month resistance at about, where is that? $7.30, $7.50. And just a couple of days ago, Voozi did crack $7.50, barely. It barely did, but it did momentarily, guys. And obviously, we didn't hold that point at all. Now we're under $7 a share. So Voozi can retake $7, $7.50. There could be a big move from there. I mean, what are the next main resistance points after $7.50? I mean, we have $9.50. Okay, that's far away. We have about $8.30 to about $8.40. So there could be a breakout coming, in other words, here on Voozi if it's able to take out that $7.25 to $7.50 price. And, currently 31% short interest. This is one that I like as a speculative, maybe breakout type of trade moving forward here. So the last one is CVM, which is currently a 21% short interest. So out of all these stocks that we've mentioned in this video, guys, this one is the least short interest of the bunch. We have currently, this one's down 2%, and it's currently sitting at $4.50. And like the other ones, for the most part, this one's reversing as well. It was downtrending for months, got clobbered, and now it's above the moving averages, and we're getting a golden cross. This could be setting up for more upside. And again, 21, 22% short interest. We're noticing a wedge as well here on the 20-day. If I show you guys, we're making higher lows, but also past couple of days, we've been cooling off a little bit. Lower highs have been made. So let's see direction. If this thing cracks above $4.80, $5 again, there could be a big move coming on CVM. So with that being said, guys, I just want to wrap it up. With that being said, I don't even know what I'm saying. That's the end of the video. We're going to wrap it up there. If you enjoyed it, you guys know what to do. Hit the like button, subscribe, join my Patreon if you want all my real-time moves, buys, call-outs, morning videos, all that good stuff is linked down below on Patreon. And do not forget to get your 10 stocks from Moo. That's running out in 2 days. And your 6 stocks from Webull also running out fairly short here at the end of June. So all that helps out the channel. It's free money, guys. Win-win scenario here. I'll catch you all in the next video. Hope you enjoyed this one. And again, trade at your own risk. These are very risky stocks. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.